So we're going to look at Canvas today. So whether you're new to Canvas or you've used it before, hopefully you'll all be able to get something out of this. So I wanted to start on the dashboard. So this view right here that you're looking at is probably what most of you are familiar with seeing. This is what's called tile view. Now tile view is nice because it does have on the right hand side a to-do list where you can see what it is, an upcoming thing on your calendar, and any recent feedback you received. But there's a different view, especially if you're working a lot in Canvas and you have a lot of assignments in there. If you go up to the three dots next to dashboard, click on that, and you want to go to list view. So I don't have a lot of assignments assigned to me personally, but list view is going to look like this. It's going to be like an agenda. So you're going to see, okay, what's due today, what's due tomorrow. It's going to be by day, and each class will have a different color. So you can keep track of your assignments that way. So this list view is very similar to the calendar view. So just kind of wanted to show you two different ways you can look at it. And if you want to know more, let's look at the calendar view while we're here. So calendar view is going to display the calendar, all of your assignments overlaid onto a traditional looking calendar. So not a linear sequence like a list, hence why it's called list view. This is going to be in a calendar. So as you can see, as it populates, all of the assignments and each class is in a different color. Once the assignment is closed, you'll see a strike through it just like those. And if you want to know more about how to integrate your Canvas calendar into your Google Calendar, see the other video about how to do that. So I think that'll do it for now. Hopefully this helps you stay organized and understand what assignments are due and when in your Canvas calendar.